So this is a quick video to show how to sync audio between a external microphone recorder, specifically a Tascam X8, and a, say, iPhone video footage and microphone, and using DaVinci Resolve. So the first thing is to create a new project. I'll just call this cello because it's a video of me practicing cello. And then I'll switch to the edit tab just because that's what I prefer. There's other options here, but this is the most straightforward one that I find to use. And then I've got my video here that I recorded already, that I've already extracted from my mobile phone. I'll pull that into the timeline. It will ask about changing frame rates. Yes, accept that because you want the frame rates to match. This is the pool of media content that I've got on the project so far. I can expand the track size to see the video footage and the waveform of the video. To see the full timeline, I can contract that and then hit this button here and it will zoom to the full track length. Then the next thing is to bring in the recording from the Tascam. Now the original recording was this one here. I did a tiny bit of mastering to it. I can show that in a separate video, but all it just does is just like maximizes the volume to the highest possible output, and does a tiny little bit of sparkle to it. So I will bring that in to the timeline as well. Now they're a recording of the same thing, but obviously they are not in sync. So what I will do is just move it so that they're both got space at the beginning, and then I will just select both, right click and go auto align clips, and then select waveform, press sync, let it analyze. Okay, and now it's auto aligned the audio clips from the Tascam and the iPhone. And what I can do is I see I haven't quite got all of the, it looks like I started recording a bit late, so I haven't actually got all of the recording there, so I might as well just shorten the video to align with that. It should auto snap to the next point. Now that's cut to the right length, I can just bring it all back to the beginning of the timeline, and it also looks like my iPhone ran out of storage and stopped recording around this point, so I don't need the rest of this audio just for the purposes of this demo, so I can shorten that one. And just so we can quickly hear, I mean, I'm just practicing, I'm only a beginner, so this is not going to sound very good, but here's a sample of the iPhone sound quality. And then if we switch that to the Tascam, okay, and since we're not going to need the audio from the iPhone anymore, we can just select the clip, unlink them by checking this box, link clips, and then we click off it and back on just to the audio, so you see there's only a red box around the audio. Hit the delete button, and then we can move this into this track, select both and then link them, and now we can work with this clip as if it is one thing, but it's now using the new audio. And we can delete empty tracks just so we've got it nice and clean. And yeah, that is how we sync up audio from Tascam to iPhone video footage. Here's a little bit more of me practicing. And for a fun extra, seeing as we've got this very still video footage, there's some cool little things we can do in this software. If we click on the color tab, we could add, where is it? We've got lots of effects that we can use. Camera shake, yes. Let's make it look like there's somebody filming this rather than it being on a still tripod. If we select that, and we've got some settings, we've got motion scale, scale speed, let's not have it too fast, very slow. Amplitude, zoom, yeah, we'll have a little bit of zoom speed. Rotation, yeah, not too much, so keep it all under 0.1. Motion blur, no, we'll leave that. So now when we play it, we'll get this nice kind of soft movement of the camera, which just gets rid of the static feel, which is quite a nice effect. So I just thought I'd show that as well. Anyway, okay, that's how we sync audio from an external recording device to an iPhone video footage. And I forgot to actually say as well that obviously you're going to want to export this as a video that you can either upload to YouTube or whatever. And there's this delivery tab here, you click on that. There's plenty of presets already, you can create your own custom if you want. Typically I imagine it will be YouTube, so you've got these options here, 4K YouTube, and that will just set everything to nice defaults ready for YouTube. You just select the location that you want to save to, give the file a name, we'll just call that Cello Practice, and then you click add to render queue, add, and render all. This is a very long clip, it's about an hour 40 minutes, so this would probably take quite a while, but yeah, that's rendering now, and that would essentially take 6 minutes. Okay, so not too bad for an hour 40 footage. Once that's complete, I'll speed this video clip up. Okay, and now that's finished, you will get an output file for in the location that you saved it. So I called it Cello Practice, I believe. And then yeah, you should get the clip with the nice audio. Other than my playing, of course, but there we go. So just dip the volume for in between while I was talking, so let's hear it as full volume.